There was high drama in the top court today. This comes after the Enforcement Directorate's objection to a statement made by Arvind Kejriwal during his campaign was turned down. And the central agency claimed that the Delhi Chief Minister violated the conditions set by the top court by asking for votes for his party while campaigning in Haryana. The Enforcement Directorate alleged that his act was a slap on the face of the judiciary. However, the apex court refused to interfere in the matter. The Supreme Court stood firm on its decision to grant him bail until the 1st of June and said that no exception was made in the case, essentially saying that it won't act on Arvind Kejriwal's remarks. Now remember, the Delhi Chief Minister in a roadshow in Haryana's Kurukshetra had appealed to the voters, saying that he will go to jail if they press the lotus button, which is the BJP's party symbol. Crossing over to my colleague Harish to get us more on this. Harish, when it comes to the court statement saying that they, one, will not interfere in this matter, saying that, two, there is no exception that's been made to Arvind Kejriwal, I think one big question here is what the remark that he made about voting. Does it violate bail conditions?
Yes, in fact, this question was answered by the bench led by Justice Sanjeev Khanna, in fact, who had refused to interfere, refused to take any action in so far as the comment made by Kejriwal to the voters that if you elect Aam Aadmi Party candidates, the India bloc will form the government and he will not have to go to jail on June 2nd. Remember, this interim bail was till June 1st. The Solicitor General Tushar Mehta complained that it was a clear violation of the Supreme Court condition that he shall not talk about the liquor scam case or anything connected to it during the campaign. And what he said is a slap on the face of the judiciary. And what has winning an election do with his going back to the jail? Because that was the order of the court. And it has nothing to do with politics or election, winning an election. But the Supreme Court refused to intervene, saying that that may be Kejriwal's assumption. As far as we are concerned, the order is very clear. We have set the dates. We have said that he shall surrender on June 2. And the dates we set rule of law will be governed by our order and not as per what Kejriwal says. And therefore, Supreme Court found no merit in the argument and said that we have already made clear the grounds under which we had give the exceptional, extraordinary circumstances under which Kejriwal was given interim bail, and we stand by it. And also, Supreme Court made a very interesting observation that any judgment, any criticism of our order is welcome. We have no problem with it, but refused to take any action or interfere with Kejriwal's comments that to the voters that if Aam Aadmi Party candidates are elected, he will not have to go back to jail. Back to you.
All right, Harish, thank you so much for joining us and telling us more about the ins and outs of what went on in the top court.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.